Hi Nippon Traveler, I love a good katsu curry. Could you recommend me a place in Tokyo to find a good one, please?
Katsu curry is the simple pairing of Japanese curry and rice topped with a breaded pork cutlet. And this is the place where it all began.
We opened the shop in 1947, and 2 or 3 years later, the former Yomiuri Giants player Shigeru Chiba often came. He liked pork cutlet and curry rice. One day he told us, "Put them on one plate for me." This is the beginning of katsukare. As you know, Japanese people love curry rice, and the pork cutlet used to be a treat. The two treats were combined, and everyone was happy with the birth of the katsukare.
So I've gone with the osusume, or the recommendation, which is the Chiba-san Katsu curry, named after the Katsu curry creator. And so let's tuck in.
Good. Tastes like I'm eating a slice of history.
What do you think, Nippon Traveler team?
Wow, this Kani cream croquette, it's excellent.
I'm eating omelette, and this omelette is so juicy, and I love its tomato taste.
If you too want to check out the first Katsu curry, then head to Grill Swiss Ginza, just off the main road from Exit A13 of Ginza subway station. We hope that answers your curry question. If you want to know more about Japanese food, drop us a message at lifeplus.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A special thanks to our sponsor, Nomi Japan, $2 Japanese goods in Singapore.